I just picked up Aiden and we went by the beach and we saw something kind of nuts. Here, let me show you. This is crazy. That's a freaking truck. There's not even any ice out there.
Somebody was super dumb. Like, look. No, there's no ice. It actually.
What? What? The wind is ridiculous right now. He's just leaning into it. It's crazy. We're gonna go into the truck. It's nuts. That was so hard to open the door. So just as we were about to leave, look at that. See that thing out there? That's an ice shanty just flying across the water because of the wind. This is just you got an ice shanty over there and you got this guy over here.
Dude, Wisconsin is so nuts, bro.
Okay, well, we had that happen, so I guess now we have to do something else entertaining because that was nuts and it would be the perfect way to start a video. We have a torch. We have knives. Can you guess what we're doing? We're giving into the trend, that's right.
24,000 degree knife. Like your distance is gonna protect you.
It will, bro. I'm like way outside frame here. What's up? Let's go try it outside. Oh. Yes, bro. Whoa. Oh, we're locked out? Let's just burn down the house and we'll be able to get in. Alright, first things first, gonna cut through some chocolate. Oh, that's so cool. This is so underrated. Whoa, that looks nuts. Oh, straight through. Oh, it's like meatballs. It just sunk through that first part and then stopped.
Oh, it smells superb.
What?
What? Right.
It just slipped right through. What?
Oh, that smells really, really good.
It smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna do something totally unpredictable. Just wanted to put this on record. That is not the best way to keep a flashlight, so you have light, but it works. And we forgot to record this like 8 million times, so make sure that happens.
It's not turning off.
Oh no.
Shit!
This is shoot. This is bad. Oh,
there we go.
okay.
Whoa! Okay, that feels really weird, but that already cooled off.
Oh, put the belly rub it. Give it a belly rub.
Because I did the last two.
Go, go, go. Good. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it sinks right through.
Oh, that smells super good. All right.
So, I've got to drop off Aiden. This whole video is just kind of gonna be like a bunch of random days put together. We had the day with the truck and the lake, which I will actually get more into depth because that needs a little more explaining. And then we had this ice and a knife hot slide through cutty cut, and now we got to drop Aiden off. And we're just busy high school students, so It's kind of going to be a lot of random days put together into one video, but I'm hoping to make it a good video. This video took me a lot of money to make. Like the blowtorch itself was like I think 30 bucks, and like the knives were probably another 10. So I don't know, 50 bucks on this video. So if you just like and subscribe, I get like 3 wishes from a wizard of my choice, and that's really cool. I will see you whenever the next time I decide to record more for this video is. Bah! School was canceled. That's very exciting for somebody like me who wants to go out and make a video instead of going to school. But first, pretend you didn't see this. Much better. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do today. It's a day full of opportunities. The only catch is that there is freezing rain, and that is why school was canceled. So we can't really go many places. If you look at my truck, I don't know how well you can see that right now, but my truck is covered in just ice, and that does not look like something I want to drive on. But we're young, dumb millennials. There's probably something we can figure out that we can do. So before I get down to anything today, I've got to go over to my dad's house and like clean up a little bit, do some dishes, and do whatever. But it's gonna be a good day. Gonna make it a good day, but you gotta get stuff done first. That's what you gotta do. If you wanna have fun, you gotta get the important stuff done, and then you can go have fun. So I will see you once I gotta stop looking at the viewfinder. I will see you again once I am done with that. Okay, so really quick here before I go to my dad's, check this out. This is kind of insane. This is crazy. Okay. Oh gosh. This is just insane. Oh. That is right. I am at Aiden's house, and now we're about to go do something, but I don't know what yet. Seems to be a common theme in all of my videos. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Another common theme. I keep looking at the darn viewfinder. Maybe I should just put it away because I keep looking at it, and that is not good. What are you doing, young man?
I'm vacuum sealing the GoPros.
We're about to go outside and brave the braveness. It's really, really slippery outside, and it's only supposed to get slipperier today.
You have to walk exactly like this.
You have to do that.
You will never slip.
I promise. Hello, are you there?
Hello, I'm here.
And are you good to be picked up?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm going on your direction.
Okay, you need to speak well and weller.
Okay, well,
Oh, dude. Magnets. You know what? I want to get a strong magnet. Oop, there it is. Don't know why he's doing that.
I pulled the panic cord. Maybe you were happy I was bored. Maybe I wanted you to change. Maybe I'm the one to blame. Maybe you were just too nice.
Stand, walk away from me.
Seriously, stop. Holy shit. That is really, really cool. I can feel it. I can feel the heat.
I'm just playing.
One of these times I will get you back. I will get you back.
Well, keeping my legs completely straight.
Pizza Pit has
Completely straight.
chicken wings.
Look at how straight.
Oh shit, those are straight.
Yeah, bro, I freaking put them in straight mode.
I have only 3 desires in this world. 1, to be 11 years old. 2, to have a donkey. And 3, Japanese technicians make everything I own. Oh, and it's on fire. So should I throw it in the sink? Oh, God.
Oh, yep. Wait, watch this.
Yeah, take care of the knife before the thing that's on fire. You're gonna cut?
You know, I didn't think about that.
Just cut me. Cut me. Do it. I deserve it anyways. Just do it.
panting with a lightsaber and those people just walk by looking at you.
Gotta be honest, I hate everything you've ever said.
Firefighter Nate Warner right here.
Damn! You see that? We almost lit the house on fire just for you.
Dangerous, dangerous.
We're dangerous. We're dangerous, boys.
I am danger! Ah!
Yeah, no big deal. No big deal. We're just kind of awesome. So make sure you like and subscribe. Just a suggestion for you to do. Use the comment section. That's, you know, get on your things and just give them the old tickety tackety tack tack and tell us what to do.
Can I get
So
a
we're always
piggyback
looking
ride,
for
please?
suggestions.
Can I please get
Always
a
look
piggyback
at we
ride?
out here.
I said never.
Please let me get a piggyback ride. Please. Aiden, for the vlog. For the video, let me get a piggyback ride. Ouch! Ow!
That's never good.
It's just go. I got you.
Thank you.
Now,
It's got me, Aiden.
have you just taken a shot of this? It is so freaking good. This is not going well.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Also comment what you want to see us do. And peace out.
Yeah.